smallest of things to the biggest of things in the atom, life, Earth, and universe, and how they come together to form technology. The Mind Museum, like all science museums, requires you to explore on your own. It will greatly help that you also read the science. We would appreciate that you handle our interactive exhibits carefully, so that others after you can enjoy them too. Kindly make your way to the Unclean Museum song starting to play. This will signal the end of your time to fly. You may also visit science in the park outside, where you can continue your experience. Let this curiosity guide you. Begin your journey of wonder now.
Alright, maraming salamat, Iggy. So, nakinig pa kayo sa sinabi ni Iggy. Saan galing ang pangalan? Idea. Alright. So, sana makinig kayo sa ating mga makeover. Magdadala tayo kayo sa una niyo galing para malaman niyo kung saan pumunta. Kung nais kayo, matutunan ng mga